Hello everyone, my name is Gilbert Rivera. Today I'm going to be your performance coach and group facilitator for the day. Alright, so how's everyone doing today?
Good.
That's good, alright. Now I got a question for everyone here. Who in here, just show of hands, you don't have to tell me what it is you want to do, but I just want to see a show of hands. Who in here wants to gain weight, lose weight, or wants to maintain weight, or maybe is stuck at a plateau, whatever it is that they're trying to do and they can't seem to make any more progress? Everyone raise your hand if you want to do one of those. Alright. What we're going to talk about today is law of thermodynamics and how that correlates into weight gain, weight loss, or maintaining weight. Now the reason this is important because all of us want to do one of those three things. If you're happy where you're at, fitness-wise, weight-wise, whatever the case may be, we want to maintain that. We want to understand how we maintain that. If we want to lose weight, we want to understand how to lose weight. Why are we going to lose weight? That's what we want to know. If we want to gain weight, then it maybe is something we have to figure out how it is we want to gain weight. So all three of us fit one of those categories. Now, to explain what law of thermodynamics is, we're going to have to go ahead, I'm going to draw it up here and show you guys basically just how to explain it. Alright? Now, I'm making up some numbers right here. They're not for everybody, but just so we can get a good understanding of what it is we're trying to accomplish here. Okay, now for example, let's say our body throughout the day, whether it's getting ready for work, going to work, working out, in a 24-hour period, let's say our body burns 3,000 calories a day. Again, this is a made-up number, so don't go right off these numbers if you're trying to do something for yourself. Okay? So, if our body burns 3,000 calories a day, and we're consuming or eating 3,500 calories a day, what's going to happen? Does anyone know? Okay, yeah, take that as a no. Alright, what's going to happen is we're going to have an excess of 500 calories, right? Right? So does anyone know what that excess of 500 calories, what happens to it? It doesn't just disappear?
Fat.
Exactly. It turns into fat. So every 3,500 calories equals 1 pound of fat. You got that? So which means every 3,500 calories that we're in excess, we're going to gain 1 pound of fat. So right here we're in excess of 500. Now we'll see how that can add up really quick. Alright? So this is why eating healthy, eating the right types of foods is going to help us out. Alright? Now, in order for us to maintain weight, if we're burning 3,000 calories a day, we have to consume 3,000 calories a day. So this can get a little bit frustrating for some people. Let's say you're trying to lose weight, and let's say you worked out and you lost 10, 15 pounds right off the bat, and then you just plateaued out. You cannot lose any more. Well, this is more likely what's happening. Now, I'm not saying this is the end-all, be-all, but this is more likely what's happening. Which means we're eating a certain amount, we're also, energy expenditure is a certain amount. So it means we're balancing each other out. We're not gaining, we're not losing, we're staying the same. Alright, so I know that can get a little bit frustrating sometimes for some people. Alright, the next thing we got, let's say we're burning 3,000 calories a day and we're consuming 2,500. Alright? Which means we need 500 extra calories more of fuel, basically. So this is the way I kind of look at it. Let's say we start at point A, we're driving a car. We got to get from point A to point B. And let's say the distance between point A and point B is 30 miles. But we only have enough fuel, enough gas in our car to get us 20 miles. Alright? So where are we going to get that extra 10 miles worth of gas? Well, your fuel reserves in our body. So what are our fuel reserves? Does anyone know?
Fat.
Good. Fat stored in our body is basically stored energy. Just like a grizzly bear or wherever they hibernate. They fatten up for the winter, and then they hibernate, they live off that body fat, and they come out really thin. Alright? Essentially, that's what's happening here. We're going to pull the extra calories from our body fat to get the amount of energy we need to get through that 24-hour day period. Alright? So, this also correlates into this. Every 3,500 calories in deficit equals how many pounds of fat? 1, because we have it up here. So we're in deficit, 3,500 calories, which were 500 here. We add all that up over like a week or 2 weeks. Every 3,500 calories equals 1 pound of fat. Does everyone got that? All right. So this is essentially how we gain, lose, and maintain our weight. Now, eating healthy, eating the right types of food, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, that's a little bit different subject. But it all correlates into this. It's kind of one of those old sayings that you are what you eat. So if we're eating healthy, eating the right things, exercising, doing what we should be doing to live a healthy lifestyle, because that's what this is all about. It's about a healthy lifestyle. It's about going out, having fun, going to our jobs, going home, spending time with our spouse, with our kids, or whatever it is we want to do. We want to be able to do that. We don't want to feel old. We don't want to feel like we can't do something, or we're too old for this. Because a lot of times some of us feel like that. We feel, hey, you know, I'm too old, I can't do this, or I'm out of shape. We want to make sure we live a healthy life, all right? And that's the bottom line with everything, all right? Well, I'd like to thank you all for giving me the time, you know, to talk to you. So again, my name is Gilbert Rivera. I'm your performance coach and group facilitator for the day. So thank you very much. Bye.